first day is going well. It's going good so far, y'all. I got this pretty little light. This brush, y'all, is so cute. Hair scan. So yeah, I'm about to go eat something.
Can you write your name?
Mm-hmm.
Here, just write your name and I remember.
Okay, thank you, man. Right here. So I'm about to eat lunch. First day is pretty good. Here, y'all. When I tell y'all, can y'all see? I got new. They gave me some supplies. They gave me a phone stand, some sanding bits, all this good stuff for free. I ain't gotta get on Amazon, y'all. Some cute y'all. It's just pink everything. Y'all see my subbies? Say hey, y'all. Sitting all the way in the back, y'all.
That ain't something I would do. Hell nah, let you slide like it's cool. Nigga, hell nah, fake the truth. Play by rules, play with you. That ain't something I would do. I'm having plaques on plaques, okay. You niggas screens ain't that, okay. I done seen the header get whacked, okay. Hit them 9 times, hit a cat, okay. I grew up on the east, no cap, okay. Green card, green tips in the strap, okay. Keep talking about where I was born, okay. Like a nigga won't still get clout, okay. She sit on the wood, no splinter, that. New money like I got a printer, that. I ain't buying these bitches, I rent them, that. These points in the teeth, they not dentures, that. Big BBS stones and they twinkle. I'm at Waffle House rolling a sprinkle. Let her ass call her phone till he wrinkles. I pop at his ass, he a pimple. That ain't something I would do. Hell nah, let you slide like it's cool. Nigga, hell nah, fake the truth. Play by rules, play with you. That ain't something I would
never lie, I would never try.
We on the way to the new building, y'all. Look, y'all. This the new building. That would be Beauty Academy.
You can leave the little stuff, but I will put out. Alright, so now we have
Right now I'm about to do some school homework. Today is Wednesday. I have class tonight, nail class tonight. I think I'm gonna stay home and do it on Zoom, even though I'm missing hours. Cause if I go to school, I get my 3 hours. If I stay home on Zoom, it's only 1 hour. Y'all, I cleared everything from my bed. My dad made me a sandwich. So after I'm done with eating, I want to organize my school bag and start packing my out-of-town bag for this event. I just want to tell you, I'm going to see Nicki Minaj. And I'm going to vlog like my hair appointment, my maintenance. I'm going to vlog that for y'all. But yeah, y'all, I'm just chilling at home for a few hours doing some homework. Hopefully, I do want to go to the gym. We're going to see. I need some face wash. I'm about to get this basket right here. I know they got a basket. These are my favorite patches. I'm about to get one of these. Like, you never know. I loved it for my oily skin. I'm the trash. Don't waste your money on them. They just cute for decorations. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I got my own moisturizer and everything. Yeah, y'all. It's a lot of oily skin products. Let me see how I like it. See how I like it, y'all. Y'all, I'm at Dollar Tree, y'all. I see they got notebooks, y'all. I know they cheap. How much? My list of things I need to do for errands, because this is what I needed it for, so this is cute. Getting chips too. Y'all know chips is expensive. They like $5 a bag. Regular Dollar Tree, $1.25. You know, y'all get y'all subs somewhere expensive or whatever. You want your chips to be cheap. Let me show y'all the chip section and the candy section. You come here, Dollar Tree, baby. Y'all keep forgetting. $1.25 for all your snacks. You know. Really cute. Like, I'm about to write my errands into this. So I'm back home, y'all. Back home from work. Ran a few errands. Got my Target goodies. Got my hygiene, traveling things. Stopped by Dollar Tree. Everything completed. Say good night. I will see you guys next video.